it's a very specialized school in a sense that for other universities, there's a very diverse range of courses, but for SUTD it's very specific in a sense that it's more geared towards engineering and architecture. I think it's a very open school. I like how the design is very open spacey, so it kind of fits my idea of a nice school.
SUTD has quite a strong hold in engineering from what I gather here, and I think it's quite different from a traditional university in the sense that there's a lot of hands-on project here compared to other universities around.
SUTD has this family kind of image. Even though it's a new school, I think it's given off quite a positive image to me. It has all the tech stuff and then all the people are very friendly. And I just been to the design workshop just now about this Lean Lego game. It taught us about some supply chain management, which now I find is actually very interesting to me.
I'm here attending the SUTD Open House. Let's take a look about their courses, and I was also quite surprised that these tables were created by SUTD. I find it very creative and impressive.
The performances were great. It showcases a lot of the variety of talents that the students in this school have.
The talk was very informative. It was nice to hear what the industry leaders have to say about SUTD and the SUTD students that are in the workforce right now. SUTD students have a hunger for knowledge, and I think that's something that I want to have as well.
If he can be admitted into this school, it will be good also, because I would like him to be further his understanding about technology and also how he can be diverted and serve the industry also.